Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to change server in Last 4 survival game. So first of all, let's open the game and then you need to click the profile icon in the top left corner. And right here, we need to go to the account. Before we'll change the server, make sure that you have connected your email address because you may lose your account. First of all, you need to click the email and you need to connect your email address to the main account, guys. After that, you need to click manage characters and there's an option create a new character. So we can create a new character on the different server, guys. So when you click this option right here, you can see there are a lot of servers, guys. Some of them are busy, some of them are available, guys. You need to find the available server and you can start creating a new character on another server, guys. But when you create a new character, the progress will start from the zero. For example, let's choose this server right here, click yes. And this will reset the game and everything will start from the beginning, guys. After we'll change the server, I will show you how you can go back to your main account and to the main server. So you need to click the profile icon again in the top right and you need to click account again, then go to the manage characters and right here you will see your main account, guys. So let's go back to my main account. This will reload the game. And as you can see now, I am on my main account. If you want to change the server again, just go to account, go to manage characters, create a new character or a new server, or just switch the characters. So that's how you can change servers in the game. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.